Now we're going to let it boot up. So this is the unit. You go to setting guide. Yeah. Then you go to, and when we got it the first time installed, it's just the camera acted out, so I had to redo the video. The unit was not programmed to our truck, so once we turned it on, the AC was not working properly. I reached out to Cidava customer service, and they pretty much responded pretty quick to me, and they told me how to change these settings. So it depends on your model you have. You're gonna have to go through these settings and change them, and it saves it, and that's how you get to adjust it to your car system. So it works as a plug and play. So to turn on the seat heaters, they're deactivated from factory, so you're gonna have to do all this. There's quite a bit of settings, so you're just gonna have to go through and kind of adjust them to your vehicle. Okay, now the switch works. We're using a factory amp.